Hello, I'm excited to walk you through my career. I started my career from the Microsoft Innovation Center. I was the second employee of Microsoft Innovation Center in my home country, and one of the key projects that I led at Microsoft were Microsoft BizSpark and Imagine Cup. Then I got an opportunity to join the marketing team, and in marketing, I mastered all the inbound, outbound marketing tactics. Mainly, I did a lot of change management and customer success campaign back in the days. I was also the PR point of contact for my home country. Then I joined Wonderman. Wonderman is the marketing agency, and at Wonderman, I was in charge of two key verticals of Microsoft. One was Microsoft Learn. So Microsoft Learn is a learning management system where any technical or non-technical person can go and opt in for any learning track. Then the other one was the Partner Connect, and in Partner Connect, it's basically a content management system for Microsoft partners. So any Microsoft distributor, partner, or reseller can go on Partner Connect and download the data and drive their business in the market. So it has things like campaign in a box, event in a box, localized content, some cheat sheets, some bill of material, and so on. Along with that, I was leading a team of 15 people, and there was a service desk model where anybody in the field could request a specific need, and the service desk was able to deliver that need. So it was like banners, digital content, social media content, website banners, and so on. I have worked on all of that. Along with that, some Facebook ads, some Google ads, some LinkedIn ads, developing ebooks, and so on. After that, I joined Microsoft again as program manager. So initially, I was in charge of the startups team, and in the startups team, I was looking for recruiting startups, mainly B2B startups on the Microsoft for Startup platform. So helping the young minds and the founders to make their products and solution market ready. After that, I joined the channel team. In the channel team, I was working with 43 distributors of Microsoft, almost managing 3.5 million investments in 70 markets. And the idea was to help the distributor to drive go-to-market campaigns, to help them to drive their business health, make sure they are profitable. So there was a lot of number-oriented storytelling involved in that. Along with that, there was a lot of cross-functional collaboration, stakeholder management. So working with product managers, working with marketing team, working with compliance, working with finance, this all was part of my responsibility. After that, I joined the strategic investments team, and in the strategic investments team, I worked with selected group of partners, but with a specific agenda. So with a specific goal. The specific goal was usually a geo expansion, some cross-selling, some upselling, sometimes data center migration. So my job was to facilitate, drive go-to-market campaigns, help them with target setting, with budgeting, and so on. Now, in all of these years, I have been reporting to the leadership team, especially in the last 6 years. As program manager, I have been directly working with the leadership team. There was a lot of cross-functional collaboration and stakeholder management involved. I've been involved in the end-to-end program management, right from beginning of selecting a partner based on a specific criteria till the end of the program, taking the learnings and moving it to the next year. In between, driving checkpoints, making sure that the timelines are met, the things stay within the budget, the targets are met. If there are any risks, highlighting those risks, sharing the recommendation, and so on. There was a lot of focus on user experience, so making sure that the user journey is smooth, there are limited or no blockers in the user journey. In that context, sometimes there was a governance framework involved. So being an advisor on how to drive that framework, Microsoft has a policy of centralization. So making sure that all the content, all the updates, everything is available at a central location was part of my responsibility. On the technical side, I'm an expert in Power BI. I can easily develop dashboards. I have been developing dashboards. I can work on Excel pretty on an advanced level. Recently, I learned Tableau and SQL for driving flowcharts, processes, planning. I can work on Visio. Now, I'm a geek at heart, so I'm a technical enthusiast. Anything related to technology inspires me. And along with that, I always like to learn. And with learning, I always like to learn and grow. That's my career passion overall. Now, in all these years, I have been driving enablement in tech. So I have been enabling startups, I have been enabling students, I have been enabling partners. I'm somebody who's an integrator. So I take the business needs and I can translate it to the tech audience. This is where I shine because I started my career as evangelist and then I spent some time in marketing. So I understand both sides of the world. So this blend helps me to act as an integrator between business and technical audience. I've been somebody who always gets inspired with data, so I like to tell stories with the help of data. I'm somebody who is expert in driving operational excellence, and this is not just me saying it. If you go on my LinkedIn profile, my couple of my ex-managers have the same feedback about me. I'm adaptive, so throughout my career, I have been working on different roles, different assignments. So adaptability is key, and I have been really adaptive in all of these roles. And I'm somebody who always likes to share solutions with the problem. So I don't take the problems only, I always bring solutions with those problems. Now, I did some additional effort. So I built this 30, 60, and 90 days plan if I join this assignment. So in 30 days time, I would like to understand the culture. I would like to connect with the stakeholders. I would like to learn what are the priorities, what are the goals, what are the pain points. Then after 30 to after 31 and 60 days, I would like to take ownership of the ongoing projects, maybe shadowing somebody, driving those projects, ensuring the quality, and then trying to contribute the way I can. Along with that, I will structure the client communication on how we communicate, what are the timelines, what are the SLAs, and so on, and build a tracker for the visibility of all the stakeholders and the leadership team. Now, in 61 to 90 days time, I would like to own the end-to-end delivery. So whatever is going on, whatever are my duties, I would like to fully own those duties and start working on the long-term roadmap beyond 90 days. So this is going to be my overall plan. I hope you like it. Thank you.